Remember, the YouTube ads feed the ducks. Alright, it's June the 3rd. We're on day 5 of the baby chicks. And we're going to go in and see how the baby chicks are doing. Now, the little guys are growing like a bad weed, which is exactly what they're supposed to be doing. Oh, and look at them. And I'm going to turn off the infrared light here so I can get a better video shot. You can see the, of course, Rocco's got to hit everything. Oh, look at them. I cannot believe how fast the water, I got to come up with a new water system here. I filled this water up not even 3 hours ago. Their pigs came in this morning at 7 and everything was empty. So they're, I'll give you a cam shot nice and low here. Those baby chickies. There's going to be a lot of good eating here. And Rocco's taking a real fancy to these guys. But he also, I had a dead one the other day, he wanted to eat it, so. We got the baby chicks. Now they're growing, so they're 5 days today old, and they're eating me out of house and home. Alright, we're doing an update here today on day 5. The chickies, here, we'll grab here. Because the chickies had to have an expansion because they were just a little too tight. And as you can see, the chickies have gotten a lot more room. And we're just going to throw some food down for them. We made the circle about a foot bigger in diameter, so now we're going to, when they're digging holes, they're just having a hoot here. But they're destroying the place. They are growing like a bad weed. So that's the chickie update for today.